Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make this card, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. Today, I'd like to share with you a quick and simple alternative card using the December 2020 paper pumpkin kit called Berry Comforting. Now this kit created 12 cards, 4 of each of these designs, and you can watch me unbox this kit or see any of my other alternative projects by clicking on the playlist, and I'll link it up here in the top right corner. Today's card is quick and simple. It uses some of the stamps that came in the kit to create this fun pattern in the background, as well as using one of the greetings from that stamp set. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to need just a couple things from the kit. One of them is the soft seafoam card base that has the stripes on the front. And what I'm going to do is cut this into 3 pieces. And then we're going to also use one of the large rectangle die cuts for the greeting. So when we're cutting this into 3 pieces, I already have the one I started with. So this already has 1 piece removed. So we're cutting, here's the original. So we're cutting the long way so that we're keeping the front and the back together. And we can cut that. So it's a 5.5 inch piece, and to cut that into 3 pieces will be roughly about 1 13/16. Okay, so it's just shy of 2 inches. And then we're just going to go ahead and cut that straight down. And that will give us 3 pieces that are roughly the same size. So I have here 2 of those pieces, and then you can see how that third one has been used on my card. So then what I wanted to do is I'm going to take the stripe side and I'm going to trim off 1 inch from that side. And then by rotating it and measuring at 5.5 inches, I'm going to now trim off some of that soft sea foam. And you can hold on to these pieces and use them for another alternative project. And so now I have a piece that will go the length of my card. And so let's go ahead and go to the Cardbase. So I'm using a rich Razzleberry card base, and it's been cut to 4.25 by 11 inches and then scored at 5.5. And that's going to give me kind of that table tent card base look. So now we're going to do a little bit of stamping on this striped and solid piece. So I just have a scrap paper here, and I'm going to use the soft seafoam ink. And so we can just do a tone-on-tone stamping. And I'm using the leaf image that came from the stamp set. And I'm just going to start to randomly stamp this on that soft seafoam side. So you're going to get something that looks like that. Don't miss next month's kit. The Sending Hearts in January 2021 has everything you need to create 8 adorable cards. You can also purchase the Little Love Boxes add-on kit to make 20 tiny printed boxes. Get the details on my blog, creativechelsea.com. And make sure to sign up before January 10th. So then on the large label, you're going to choose which greeting you want to use. I have chosen the Get Well Soon, and you're just going to go ahead and ink that up with the rich Razzleberry Stampin' Spot that came in the kit. And then find the center and stamp it. Nice, good, even pressure. And now we are ready to start putting our card together. So the fun thing about this and the way that you can cut your card base so that you can keep those solid and striped pieces together, it kind of just gives you some really fun options. So you can either flip it over and do it so that the greeting's near the bottom, or you can do it kind of so it's closer to the top, middle, or you can flip it and do it so it's closer to the top. So really, any of these options are really good options. So you can see here how just by scooting it up closer to that score line, you can get one that's closer to the top, or bringing it down so that it's more in the middle, or by flipping it, you can get one that's closer to the bottom. And so really, it's all up to you on how you want to lay out this piece. I think I'm gonna go with a piece that's near the top. So I'm just gonna adhere it with some Stampin' Seal and just place it. I did about 3/4 of an inch from the left side, and I just used my grid paper to line it up so that I can see that it's nice and straight. Then we're going to add our greeting with some dimensionals. And I just placed two, one on each end. And then decide where you want to place this. Like I said, I'm gonna go a little bit high so that the bottom here is right along that score line. And then we're going to now add a couple embellishments. So I have this gold twine from the Forever Greenery combo pack, and I'm tying 2 knots. And the reason for that is because this thread likes to unravel really easily. And so by tying 2 knots, I then can cut in the middle, and it won't unravel the one on my spool. And it keeps both ends that I'm using nice and together so that they don't unravel. Go ahead and just tie a nice big bow with that 10 inches. And then take it and add a glue dot to the back of the bow. And then I like to take my pickup tool and slide it up and under my greeting, just in that bottom corner. Just gonna flip that. Oh, it wants to be that way. Okay. So now I have that cute gold bow on my card, and then I wanted to add a couple more embellishments in gold, and I have these cute, they're the Gilded Gems. And they're fun because they come in 3 different sizes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use one in each of those sizes. So I've got the large and the small up here on top, and then the medium size down here a little lower. And my card is all done. And so you can get 3 of these cards from 1 card base. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this card together. For close-up images and to get written instructions, you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com. To sign up to get your own paper pumpkin kit, please visit the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.